Apple's MacBook Pro has always been the crown jewel of portable performance, a laptop that creators, professionals, and even everyday users trust for everything from basic productivity to Hollywood-level editing. But in 2025, Apple is preparing to take things to the next level with the brand new MacBook Pro M5. And let me tell you, this isn't just another upgrade. It's shaping up to be a true game changer. We're talking about a blazing fast M5 chip built on TSMC's 2nm process, slimmer bezels with a brighter liquid Retina XDR display, longer battery life that could hit nearly 30 hours, and performance gains so big that this laptop might just replace your desktop. Add in Thunderbolt 5, Wi-Fi 7, faster charging, and deeper AI integration with Apple Intelligence, and you've got a machine that feels like it was designed for the future of creative work and beyond. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But here's the real question. Should you wait for it, or is the current MacBook Pro still worth buying? In today's video, we're diving deep into the MacBook Pro M5, its specs, features, performance upgrades, release date, pricing, and ultimately, whether it's the right time for you to upgrade. Let's get started. The MacBook Pro has always been more than just another laptop in Apple's lineup. It represents the pinnacle of performance, design, and innovation in portable computing. For years, professionals, creators, and everyday power users have relied on the MacBook Pro to handle everything from simple productivity to complex, resource-heavy workflows like 3D rendering, music production, and Hollywood-level video editing. And now, in 2025, Apple is gearing up to release the MacBook Pro M5, a machine that many are already calling the next big leap in the evolution of Apple Silicon. The title says it all: release date, specs, features, performance gains, and of course, the golden question. Should you wait for it? Because when it comes to Apple, timing is everything, and with how quickly their chips have been evolving, the decision isn't always as simple as it seems. To understand the importance of the M5 generation, we need to rewind just a bit and look at the journey Apple has taken over the past few years. In 2020, the world saw the debut of the M1 chip, Apple's bold move away from Intel and into its own custom silicon. At the time, people were skeptical. Could Apple really beat Intel and AMD at their own game? But the M1 was an absolute game changer. It delivered jaw-dropping performance, insane efficiency, and completely rewrote what we expected from laptops. Suddenly, thin and fanless machines were outperforming bulky Windows laptops, and the MacBook Pro M1 Pro and M1 Max showed the world that Apple was not just competing, they were dominating. From there, Apple doubled down. The M2 family brought refinements, a bit more horsepower, and smoother efficiency. The M3, built on 3nm technology, pushed things further with better GPU performance, ray tracing support, and improvements to the neural engine. Then came the M4 in 2024, where Apple surprised everyone by shifting its release cadence. Instead of waiting years, they accelerated updates, making the M4 the most advanced consumer chip at the time. The M4 Pro and M4 Max showed incredible leaps in graphics and machine learning, cementing the MacBook Pro's place as the ultimate laptop for professionals. And now, in 2025, we are on the cusp of the M5 era. This isn't just another incremental step, it's being described as a true next-gen leap. Built on TSMC's refined 2nm process, the M5 chip promises not just higher clock speeds, but also vastly improved power efficiency, allowing Apple to balance both performance and battery life like never before. For the MacBook Pro, this means something extraordinary: the ability to deliver desktop-level performance in a machine that still slips into your backpack. The design of the MacBook Pro M5 is expected to be familiar, but with subtle refinements. Apple isn't the type to overhaul a successful formula every year, and the chassis introduced with the 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pros has been widely praised for its balance of modern looks, excellent thermals, and functionality. But leaks suggest Apple is making the bezels even slimmer this time, pushing closer toward that dream of a near all-screen laptop. The Mini LED Liquid Retina XDR display, already industry-leading, is rumored to get even brighter with peak HDR brightness possibly hitting 2000 nits, making it one of the best displays ever seen on a laptop. Refresh rate is also expected to bump from 120 Hz to 144 Hz per motion, matching high-end monitors and providing buttery smooth visuals for everything from gaming to creative editing. Under the hood, the M5 is the real star. Early reports suggest CPU performance improvements of around 30 to 40% compared to the M4, which is massive in just one generation. The GPU, meanwhile, could see as much as a 60% jump thanks to Apple's new graphics architecture and improved memory bandwidth. This means rendering 8K video, working with massive CAD files, or even playing AAA games natively on macOS will feel smoother and faster than ever before. Apple is also doubling down on the neural engine, expanding its AI processing power dramatically. This ties directly into Apple Intelligence, the company's system-wide AI suite announced in 2024, which powers everything from smart summaries and contextual notifications to creative tools that assist with image editing, music composition, and video production. On the MacBook Pro M5, these AI tools won't just run, they'll fly, making your laptop feel more like a creative partner than just a machine. But power is nothing without endurance, and this is another area where the MacBook Pro M5 is expected to shine. Thanks to the 2nm process and Apple's obsession with efficiency, battery life is projected to increase by 20 to 25% over the M4 models. For the 16-inch version, that could mean up to 30 hours of usage on a single charge, something unheard of in the laptop world. Imagine editing videos all day, attending meetings, streaming, and still having juice left without touching a charger. And when you do need to charge, Apple is rumored to be introducing faster charging speeds, with MagSafe now supporting up to 150W for the Pro Max configurations, cutting charge times nearly in half compared to older models. Connectivity will also get a boost. Thunderbolt 5 is expected to debut on the MacBook Pro M5, offering higher bandwidth for external displays, faster external storage, and improved daisy chaining of devices. Wi-Fi 7 support is almost guaranteed, delivering lower latency and higher speeds, perfect for those who rely on cloud workflows or high-bandwidth creative collaboration. HDMI is expected to move up to version 2.2, supporting 8K displays at high refresh rates. For professionals who connect their MacBook Pro to multi-monitor setups, this is going to be a dream come true. Storage and RAM configurations will likely expand too. While the M4 Pro models topped out at 48GB of unified memory, the M5 Max could push that ceiling to 96GB or even 128GB. For users dealing with huge datasets, machine learning training, or Hollywood-grade editing projects, this kind of headroom is a lifesaver. Storage is expected to range from 512GB at the base level up to a massive 8TB, keeping in line with Apple's philosophy of catering to both everyday users and professionals with no compromise. Already industry-leading, is rumored to get even brighter with peak HDR brightness possibly hitting 2000 nits, making it one of the best displays ever seen on a laptop. Refresh rate is also expected to bump from 120Hz to 144Hz per motion, matching high-end monitors and providing buttery smooth visuals for everything from gaming to creative editing. Under the hood, the M5 is the real star. Early reports suggest CPU performance improvements of around 30 to 40% compared to the M4, which is massive in just one generation. The GPU, meanwhile, could see as much as a 60% jump thanks to Apple's new graphics architecture and improved memory bandwidth. This means rendering 8K video, working with massive